Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you have a small painting project coming up, you're probably looking into investing in a paint sprayer. And that would be a good idea. This one is from BlumWay, and it's battery operated, so it comes with one 21-volt battery. It's super easy to use. It comes with several different nozzles, so you can choose the one that you need for the product that you're spraying. It has a nice size little container here, so you fill that with your product, your paint, and then you may possibly need to dilute. I add a little bit of water to my latex paint. You don't need a lot, but it'll just make it a little runnier so it goes through the machine better. And then you're ready to spray. So this one has two different spray patterns, so you can choose to be more condensed and round, or you can spread it a little wider. Behind the trigger, there's a little dial that will either tighten or loosen. You can actually lock it completely from here. With one battery charge, I'm able to get through about half of my container. I like this for small projects because it's really convenient. It's super easy to fill up, and you don't have to worry about paintbrush strokes and all of the hassle that comes with hand painting. So easy to get into all the crevices with a paint sprayer. And then cleanup is a breeze as well. It comes apart super easily. It comes with a little cleaning brush and things to be able to get in all those crevices. So if you're looking for a paint sprayer without the hassle of a cord, then this one is a good option for your next project, and that's my point of view.